How to withdraw Temu credit balance. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So actually you cannot withdraw Temu credit balance and transfer it into your bank account because the feature is not available yet. If you want to confirm this, you can go to their customer service and ask them about it, and it will still say you cannot withdraw your Temu credit balance. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.